In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a flight on Agoda. Whether you're planning a vacation or a business trip, booking your flight efficiently and affordably can make a big difference for your travel experience. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure you're on Agoda's website or have their app open on your device. As you look at the dashboard in front of you, you'll notice a variety of options ranging from Flight Plus Hotel and Hotels and Homes to transports, activities, coupons and deals, and much more. But today, we're going to focus on booking flights. So, you want to direct your attention to the top left corner where you see the Flights tab. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on the Flights tab, you will be redirected to flightsagoda.com, which is designed to resemble the kayak.com interface. For those of you familiar with Kayak, this setup should feel quite intuitive and straightforward. It's specifically engineered to help you find and book your flights with ease by providing several useful features. Now, you're on the page where the magic happens. Notice the search bar that allows you to enter your departure city and destination. Simply click in each field and start typing the name of your cities. You'll see suggestions popping up, which makes entering your details faster. Alongside entering your destinations, you'll also need to choose your travel dates. Just click on the departure and return fields to bring up a calendar where you can select your preferred dates. Make sure to check for any flexibility in dates, as sometimes shifting your travel by a day or two can result in better prices. In addition to setting your cities and dates, don't forget to adjust the number of travelers. Whether you're flying solo, with family, or a group, simply click on the Traveler field to select how many adults, children, or infants are going on this trip. Next, you might want to consider your class of service. Whether you're going economy, business, or first class, you'll find an option that suits your preference and budget. After setting all your parameters, go ahead and click the search button. Agoda will then fetch available flights for you. As the results populate, you'll see a range of flight options. Pay attention to key details like price, flight duration, stopovers, and airline. Use filters on the side to narrow down the choices if needed. Once you find a flight that works for you, click on it to view more details and proceed to booking. Follow the instructions by entering your details, reviewing the booking summary, and making the payment. You now have successfully learned how to book your flight using Agoda. Happy travels, and I hope you have a fantastic journey ahead.